Hey everyone! If you ever wanted to customize how your GS2WP tables display on your website, today's video will show you how to hide the showing entries text in the search filter using a simple CSS trick. You can do this directly from your WordPress dashboard. Let's dive in. First, let's head over to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, navigate to Appearance and click Customize. Next, scroll down and select Additional CSS. This is where you can paste custom code to modify your site's appearance. Now, let's add the following code to hide the showing X to Y of Z entries in the search filter box for data tables. This code does two things. .datatables_info hides the text at the bottom that shows the number of entries. .datatables_filter hides the search box that allows users to filter the table content. Now, you might wonder why we added important in the code. This ensures that the custom styles will override any default styling applied by your theme or plugin. But what if you want more control when generating shortcodes? If you're using GS2WP to publish tables, there's an easier way. Go to the GS2WP table settings page, enter the total number of rows you want to show, and generate the shortcode. Once you generate the shortcode, you can place it on any page or post, and the table will automatically adjust the total number of rows. And that's it. With just a few lines of CSS or a quick shortcode configuration, you can customize your data tables exactly how you want. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more WordPress tips. See you in the next video.